Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by pressing the small latch on the Toyota Camry Smart Key to release the mechanical key. Pull it out fully and set it aside. Inspect the fob edge for a plastic seam and the small notch near the key slot. This is the only opening point for the 2019 Camry fob. Wrap a soft cloth around the plastic to avoid scratches and keep a small flathead screwdriver ready. You will use it gently at the seam to pry the two halves apart without damaging the casing. With the fob halves slightly separated, use the small flathead screwdriver to work around the seam until the two halves open evenly. Do not force or bend plastic tabs. Inside, you will see a single CR 2032 3V coin cell held in a spring or clip. Observe orientation. Positive side typically faces up. Remove the old battery using a non-metal tool or fingertip gently, keeping your hands clean. Avoid touching circuit pads and springs. To seat the new CR 2032 3V battery into the clip with the same orientation you observed earlier. Ensure it sits flat and contacts are snug. Align the circuit board and gasket if present, then press the two plastic halves together evenly until all clips snap into place. Don't force any single corner. Slide the mechanical key back in until the latch clicks. Test the fob at the car. Lock, unlock, and start functions should respond immediately. If any function fails, reopen and check battery seating or try another CR 2032.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.